Hi viewers, welcome back.
Today I made this quick and easy jam cookies. I had many requests to make cookies, but today I decided to make this easy recipe. Sometimes the simplest cookies are the best, and to me jam thumbprint cookies are all about enjoying a simple buttery shortbread with the sweetness of a quality jam. Very easy recipe. These jam cookies are so soft they practically melt in your mouth easily. These classic cookies are not too sweet and have a delicious melt in your mouth texture. So easy to put together. So now let us check out the ingredients. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup melted butter, and 1/3 cup powdered sugar. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and we need some jam of your choice. In a large bowl, add the flour, add 2 tablespoons of custard powder. This will give a nice flavor. Add the powdered sugar and whisk it well. Now let's add the melted butter gradually, little by little, and just combine it to make a dough. And we are not going to knead the dough. Add the butter little by little, and now I have finished the half cup of the butter. I am going to use my hands to combine it. Just combine everything together. We are not going to overmix this dough. Should be a very soft dough. If you think your dough is melting, leave it in the fridge for about half an hour and then start making it. Now portion out the dough into little balls. Now aim for 1 tablespoon per ball. This will give you the perfect ratio of the cookie to jam. Now let's make the balls. And let's create the wells. You can use your thumb or for really pretty jam thumbprints, I like to press the back of a measuring spoon into the center of the dough. It's the perfect size and shape. You can use the back of the spoon, the quarter spoon. Now let's stir the jam. I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons jam. If you use strawberry jam, it will look very pretty. So I had some mixed berry jam. So I am stirring it just to loosen up. That way it's easy to fill up. Now let's lay the cookies in a tray. And I'm going to use the quarter spoon to fill the wells. Fill it really carefully and do not overfill it. Bake the thumbprint cookies just until set around the edges. You don't really want these to get brown. Bake in preheat oven on 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Now I removed from the oven after 18 minutes and it looks perfect around the edges, and it is slightly cracked, but it is normal, you don't have to worry about it. Leave it in the room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. These custard cookies will stay in the room temperature for up to 5 days, and you can store in a airtight container. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try out this recipe for the festive season or for the holidays, or you can make this for a tea time treat with your kids. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, or if you are watching for the first time. Please press the bell icon for latest updates. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.